Hey, gearheads! Today we're going to talk about common reasons why your car might not start even with a fully charged battery. First up, battery terminals. Corroded battery terminals can cause resistance, preventing the battery from delivering the current needed to start the engine. Loose terminals can also be a culprit. Next, starter motor and ignition switch concerns. A bad starter or ignition system can prevent your car from starting even if the battery is good. Moving on to electrical system and fuse problems. A faulty alternator or a blown battery fuse can also be the reason your car won't start. Lastly, fuel system issues. A blockage in the fuel filter or lines can prevent fuel from reaching the engine, making it impossible to start your car. That's it for today's video. See you on the next one, and keep those engines revving.